Hurry, snowstorm review. Oh, it's a little deep. I'd rate this a good 6 out of 10. I'd like more snow. I kind of want to be snowed in, but this will do. I don't know. I hope you guys got snow. Oh, it's everywhere. Don't worry about my suit and my paws. I'm making a new suit at some point, so that'll be on my channel. You better be excited. I hope you're excited, because it's gonna take a long time. And I don't like the suit because it's too girly. And I'm not a girl. Happy winter. And have fun in the snow.